Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know see one and only Atafa the Press. Well, residents from 5 communities in South Manchester block the Lancaster to Victoria Town Main Road early Monday morning to bring attention to poor roads and damage to key infrastructure in the constituency. Representing Lancaster, Prattville, Asia, Victoria Town and Pusey Hill, the residents used down trees and debris to block miles of roadway. The residents say they feel neglected by their political representatives, including the sitting member of parliament, the Jamaica Labour Party, Robert Chin. My wisdom warriors, a long time these people are protesting. Members of them come out before and protest. Remember them come out before and protest. But the thing is, remember say Andrew Holness say he might go spend $40 billion per road. Who remember my wisdom warriors? Remember that Andrew Holness say. So, you don't have to worry on yourself, because them place they are labor right place. Andrew Holness have a plan. Andrew Holness I go come around and fix up on the road and buy out election. And that Andrew Holness I go do. Buy on out. But let me tell you something, Jamaica. Let me tell you something. You see, if you don't want better, and good in a life, your nose have to run. You hear me? If you don't want better, your nose have to run. Don't make a man come with a money and buy you out. Don't make a man come with one little money, one little 50,000. 120,000, 130,000 and buy on out because they want to win election. Because me know say that Andrew Holness plan. Because remember say Andrew Holness I go keep in conference in November. So no know how the things set already. Remember say Andrew Holness can't hear me now. Because Andrew Holness promised we say a 40 billion they go use per road and he cut it down to 2 billion. He cut it down to 2 billion, my wisdom warriors. I'm pretty sure it's 2 billion because I talked about it already in the other day. I think it was about a month ago. Yeah, in cut it down. Yeah, I think it's 2 billion. Yeah. So, the people have been, Jamaica, we need more than road. We need more than road. We need more than road. You understand? Every day, we're not going to get up every day with this. We just want road. We need more than road. There's more things we need. You understand? And the government is not doing nothing. The government is not doing nothing. However, we know say election is near. So we know how Andrew Holness stay already. He might go come round. But remember Jamaica, we name them out and we vote them out. Because guess what? I can't tell you what to do, I can't tell you what to do. You understand? And if you need food or if you need money to buy something, I can't tell you say, boy, don't take it. I can't tell you that. You understand? Because me really and truly don't know how enough people is feeling. But one thing I can't tell you you can name them out and vote them out. Remember that Jamaica. Because you see when you have a government, you see these things are against the law, These things them call bribery, my wisdom warriors. It is wrong, It is wrong. For your MP go round and issue money for vote. It is wrong. It is against the law. It is against the law. It is totally wrong. A long time we want the road to fix. Long time. Andrew Holness just a use him brain. Here the PNP come out in the press conference. Remember, I can't remember his name, but me did show him day before yesterday. Remember, he came out, my wisdom warriors, and he must say, the government write to all of the ministers them in the PNP talking about road and all these things, yeah? And I'll know when them get back to the government, what did the government do? I'll know the government now reach out to them and look for no road yet. But 1 month ago they came out and said them are going to give 2 billion for fix the road. Who them are going to give this 2 billion to? It has to be the labor right, because if they don't look on the PNP road, we only think Jamaica. We do not want a one-sided government. I said it all the time. You can't have a government where only a look one way. No. You cannot have a government where I look one way, my wisdom warriors. No way. And unless you're here for the people. You're here for the people. But the way you treat poor people, the way you treat poor people, and you say you come from a poor background, me beginning to wonder if you really come from a poor background. Yeah, you got me real thinking. Because as me can see, you're just a puppet. And you make money take over your soul. I that you know. I that go wrong in my wisdom warriors. And you want to make money. And a lot of labor rights supporters out here talking, and they don't know what is coming. Because them third eye no open. Them don't know what is coming. Them don't know what is coming. You understand? So them come and chat pure shit. Then come and chat pure shit, my wisdom warriors. But Jamaica people, you've been warned numerous of times. Me telling you about the needs. Me telling you about the Samoa agreement. Me telling you about the corruption where Andrew Holness in. Me telling you about the impeachment where Andrew Holness now want put in the constitution, where he was the same very person that came out and promising at the first 100 days, this is what he's going to do. Me want to know. Me telling you. Andrew Holness break the law. The constitution. Andrew Holness do that as a prime minister. Break the law of the lands. Abuse of power. Andrew Holness use upon the ministers and upon the people of Jamaica numerous of times. And Jamaica, it is only going to get worse if we not allow this man. I'm telling you. Because this man only want full control, you know. This man only want Jamaica to turn into republic. And I done it done. Done it done if you make Andrew Holness be a president. Look, Andrew Holness no want an executive president. Andrew Holness want a ceremonial president. So him no want to be chosen by the people. A prime minister like that you don't want? A prime minister like that you don't want, Jamaica? We have to look into these things. We have to look into these things, Jamaica. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. A lot of labor rights supporters that come out, my wisdom warriors, and talking, because them die-hearted and them are living a denial, that's why them come out and attack. You understand? Me not pay them no mind. Even with the cartel situation, me not pay them no mind. Me just not pay them no mind. Me know say they hurt, they stress out, because they know the influence what cartel have. Not only in Jamaica, but worldwide. They know that. Me know say Andrew Holness full of anxiety right now. Me know that. Stress out. Them a plan up some lie now for come with. Yeah, them a plan up some lies. He run out with PhD. He so come run with something else. He so come and run with something else. My wisdom warriors, Jamaican people, remember say we put in Andrew. We must take him out. One cannot say, oh, Andrew Holness a build infrastructure. And then that is it. Support, the Jamaica Labour Party supporters out here talking about Andrew Holness. Much infrastructure and build, but can the Jamaican people afford to go in that building? How much of them? Most of the infrastructure where Andrew Holness build is private. It's private. It's private. Can poor people afford? Can poor people afford to even go in at them the place there? When really I bring infrastructure, we not even look upon the foundation of it. Andrew Holness' wife is a real estate developer, or what you want to call it. So all the taxpayer money is staying within the family. Who are get them the contract there? We have to look into these things. How much of taxpayer money gone missing to unoccupied buildings that is owned by Jamaica Labour Party MPs. My wisdom warriors. And then them come out and talk about procurement because the procurement protect them. This is why we can't know who and who is the ministers. And so what me I talk about now? How much $1 million get paid to a MP in the Jamaican Labour Party for unoccupied buildings because they know so the procurement protect them. That's why we call on the changes of the Procurement Act. The things that we forget. We not forget Nigel Clark. We not forget. You think we forget about the 1.7 trillion? And uno labor rights supporters. Uno know say Andrew Holness get $1.5 billion. $1.5 billion US dollar. Andrew Holness get to promote the Samoa Agreement, to promote the rainbow them. It is not a lie. I don't know that. So me just want address that. Stop tell lie because on the right beer shit and lie. Me have to wonder if you don't really live in Jamaica. You know supporters. You don't live in Jamaica. You don't know exactly what is going on in our country. You know out here defending Andrew Holness, Snoopy. As a Snoopy name, you know. Me gotta stop calling him Andrew, a Snoopy. You know out here defending Snoopy. Yeah, we go round and snoop all over Jamaica. And nothing for the Jamaican people. This a type of man, a man that don't sign the leadership code of conduct. Every prime minister have to sign that. And remember, you know, it was Andrew Holness' idea alongside, well, Mark Golding came up with it, yes, but it was their idea. Because when Andrew Holness came into power, 2016, he was saying he's going to stop corruption and he's going to this and he's going to that. Yeah, and he was hyping, and he did nothing because he himself is corruption. That's why he can't put the impeachment in the Constitution because Mark Golding can use it against him. That's why I'm not signing the code of conduct because Mark Golding can use it against him. And Andrew Holness put a gag order upon the ministers them because he don't want them to talk. He doesn't want them to talk Jamaica. If a prime minister is not hiding anything, why would he place a gag order? Come on, you have to look into this, Jamaica. Look into this. Labor right, you talk about the gag order, no? Talk about the Samoa Agreement, no? Talk about the needs. But you can't talk about it because you're not educated enough about it. No fun to come out here and speak so well. You speak so well. But really and truly speaking well no means so bright. No fun to come out here speak so well. But you does not have no knowledge about certain things. And you uneducated. Because you mix up the needs with the biometric. Remember, Andrew Holness say, he make Jamaica turn fully digital. And me say so. And the Prime Minister say so. And the only way for Jamaica to become fully digital is by accepting needs. So it is not about biometric. Biometric totally different. Biometric totally different. Because England, Canada, America, I use biometric. But yet, them are going to become fully digital and them are going to get rid of the biometric. Them are going to get rid of the biometric. But the only reason why them are going to become fully digital is only for immigration control. That's why I don't understand why Andrew Holness have put it on him people. You know what I talk about Jamaica? Remember say Canada, England, America are going to go fully digital only because of immigration control. So they're not going to use it on them people. Them British citizen, the American citizen, they're not going to use it on them. Them are going to use it just for immigration control. But the question is why Andrew Holness using it on his people? When I think about that one there, think about it, Jamaica. Think about it. Anyway, tell me what you think. Because more than like for your phone of yours. You don't have to agree with me, you know. But you just bullet point and make me know where phone headspace at. Anyway, me want to listen to Andre Stevens because you know me I listen to him and me I tell her say he step and he stamp up. Yeah man, he stamp up on them last night. I me like it. I have to big up Andre Stevens straight. Straight. So I want to take in this.
Inconvenient hypocrite. That's who you are, Cliff Hughes. You want me give you more cases where you never call out hypocrite Cliff Hughes? But you don't know what? Why you ma carry belly Jamaica? You don't want to know why ma carry belly? You don't want me telling you why ma carry belly? He ma carry belly because I never get the country, Lord Jesus. He ma Jamaica people. You know their business, you know. Cliffy, tell them why you carry the belly. You know why me telling you don't it? Him a carry the belly because him never get the outside broadcasting contract for the PNP conference yesterday. You hear what me say to you tonight? Him a carry the belly and a not even 2 month and 3 month belly, you know. 15-month belly him a carry Jamaica. Him a carry the 15-month belly. Cause him never Dayton and Mark never give him the contract. The how much thousands of dollar contract. Him a carry the belly because him know if the PNP them win. Him not gonna get the millions of dollars in a tax write-off. Talk no Cliff Hughes. Him a carry the belly Jamaica because him know him have to go start when PNP win. Him have to go start Jamaica people ask who work on nationwide. If Cliff Hughes appear them start it. Hey, Cliff Hughes, I know your business. So buy your full tonight. Ask Jamaica people if him appear the statutories them female employees them. Ask if him appear for the broadcasting license. Me ask him. Him a worry so when the Labour the PNP win Courtney, he not gonna have no more government contract.
Not getting none.
He know he not get no more government contract. So that's why I'm a carry belly for cartel.
Oh, this man.
About questionable character. Why you never talk about when the man come and say the man has sent him as a try kill him and him still sit down in a parliament? And I tell you don't know, you know. Ask how many government sponsored ads are run on his stadium, on his radio station. And say to yourself, if it make a good business sense. Why I ask that? His radio station is not even in the top 10 most listened radio stations in Jamaica. And he has the most government contracts. Ask if it makes sense, Jamaica. I'm going to say it again. His radio station is not, if you go find out, I need to find that report, you know, remember, anybody can find, I can tell you Jamaica, he's not in the top 5 Him not in the top 6. Him not in the top 7. And him get the most government contracts. Why you never talk about Patrick Bailey? Questionable circumstance. Why you not talk about, you know, say I'm going to draw me out for that. Hey! So I want to ask you a question, Cliff Hughes.
Cliffy.
Pupa morality. Nelson Mandela was once convicted. Who remember history Jamaica? Wasn't Nelson Mandela convicted for years in South Africa? So are you saying that once you have a history of conviction, you have no place
In society.
in society? You not deserve for their part and no discussion. I want to ask you. And the said Nelson Mandela became president of South Africa. Who remember that? $27 years.
My wisdom warriors, firstly, let me start with the belly, the 19-month belly. Lord Jesus, let me start with the belly where Cliff Hughes a carry for the PNP. Mighty God of Daniel, you never see smoke without fire. You never see smoke without fire, my wisdom warriors. So because Mark Golding don't give you the contract, so we at the Cliff Hughes, you expect Mark Golding to really give you a contract? After how you're being so biased? After how you're being so biased on social media? You don't even acting like you're a reporter anymore. You really believe so? The way you want to slander the PNP for no reason. Telling lies for no reason. Coming out. Come on. Come on. You really think so? You really think say you did expect forget wanna take PNP for? I wanna think say wanna think some market G a fool around here. Wanna think some market G a fool. And my wisdom warriors, the next thing. Cliff Hughes, you know, the whole are a hypocrite because you're out here. The only reason why them are Cliff Hughes are behave like that, my wisdom warriors, him know say the PNP are gonna win. Him no want the PNP win for whatever reason. Yeah. Him know. And he don't want PNP to win. So when I do now a text it pan cartel because he want Jamaica to turn away from cartel. It not gonna work, Papa. Come better than that. Come better than that. It not gonna work. And you know the reason why I say them a hypocrite? Who remember when Andrew Holness used clerks for drawing the young people for vote him in? Who remember, my wisdom warriors? Who remember when Andrew Holness used cartel song for them political gain when cartel was incarcerated? Who remember? Who remember? So when Mr. Cliff Hughes a come out, me know say a true river come down bank to bank, up the road, down the road, rain a fall, breeze a blow. And we left the chicken body them out the door. Somebody was the word. We know so them are mad out. We know so them are mad out, my wisdom warriors. So me can't take them serious. But when Cliff Hughes is talking about man of questionable character, isn't this country a democracy country? Isn't it? You know, so you are saying that a person that has been convicted must have no place in a Jamaica. And that you say Cliff Hughes. So how many hear you talk about Royal Reid? How many hear you talk about Paul Stevenson? The man were allegedly do the raping over Qatar or wherever we want to do the raping. And Andrew Holness welcome him with the open arms. How do not talk about these things? But yet not talk about a man that is conviction overturned. Cartel is not a criminal. Cartel is not a criminal. But my wisdom warriors, me not even going to dwell upon it anymore because me know say them are stressed out and Andrew Holness not going to get another term. So guess what you need to start to know? You need to put your facts and get yourself together, Cliff Hughes. Get yourself together. Get yourself together. Because, hey, when Marky G win, hey, Andrew can't save you. Because Andrew himself a go prison. Andrew can't save you. None of your Jamaica Labour Party friend them can save you. And guess what? I'm telling you, I send a message to you, Andrew Holness. Snoopy, you can't get another term. You can't thief the election either. And you know what? You see glass poll. I don't trust Glasspool, the EOJ man. I don't trust him, my wisdom warriors. Me want him to go. Him need to get fired. Him need to resign. Him need to resign because the whole of them are work together. Remember, say Mark Golding win the local election, you know. Everybody know that. I don't nothing to hide. I don't nothing to hide. Everybody know that. Because there's no way Andrew Holness can win. And he's so upset. At first, me ever see somebody win local election or win election and they sad. I never see this from a barn. My wisdom warriors, Cliff Hughes just having a fix and having a meltdown. Cliff Hughes just having a meltdown because the whole heap of money, my wisdom warriors, when me hear say, oh, Lord Jesus. Last but not least, my wisdom warriors, Donald Shaw, aka Danny of Somerton in St. James, went to the PNP conference in Kingston yesterday, which the day when it was conference, and has not been seen since. The family are really worried. He went to the PNP conference and nobody knowing whereabout. Nobody haven't seen him since, my wisdom warriors. Take a look at Danny. So if anybody have seen Danny, just call the nearest police station. All right? Blessings upon blessings. One love.